laughing. I'm having so much fun right now.
Why is it guys that slow?
Where is our fucking train? I'm gonna call First Great Western. Like, what the fuck, man?
Why is Abby eating? Abby's eating.
Yes. Literally, like, this is the last time I sit in fucking Reading Station throwing a tantrum. Never again. Where is this train? Where is it? I don't understand.
Where is it?
But you know what? The joke is on everyone else because we don't have work for 2 days. The joke's on him because he has to work. The joke's on him because he has to work.
The joke's on him.
The joke's on him.
The joke's on all the orange. Oh my god, it's a Olympus!
Abby, don't take this off. You're cold. Abby, where?
Look at the mess you've made.
It's First Great Western.
Look at the mess.
It's on top of issues. Fucking have it. I don't care. Literally, I will fucking break all of their stuff. I don't give a fuck.
Pretty sure.
I don't care, Emily. They have caused me a lot of aggro tonight. First Great Western can suck my dick and fuck off and die. Like, I don't care. Like, I'm so...
Is that going to head office? Is that what?
Hey, do you know what I'm like? Me and Abby.
Suck my dick and do that.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
No, literally. Yeah.
Wonderful.
No, literally. It was like, what, 2:30? We were me and her were like sat there,
I found
like
your friends,
trying to buy
Abby.
tickets. We were like, what the fuck?
Just waiting for a mate. That is a state.
Christmas,